on? You having a good time? Stay off. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, my shadow in the way here. A beautiful day in Washington. Green pastures. You eating the flowers? Are you eating the flowers? So you're not supposed to eat them. That's your first dandelion. Grumpy old Bo. What you doing, Bo? Come on now. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, show your mom how you were running around. Come here, Nell. You guys want a ball? We have a ball to play with? There. What's this? What's this? Oh, Bo's got it. Oh, no, Bo's got it. What is that, Nell? What is that, Nell? What's he doing? Is he playing with that? Oh, Bo, you're so rough. He's so rough. Come on. What's he doing? Huh? What's he doing? Good girl for not jumping. Let's get the ball. Get out of the way. Go get the ball. Somebody go get it. No ball dogs here. Oh, stop. I'm not going to play with you if you bark at me. What's he doing? Pretty interesting, huh, Nell? All right, well, you're being pretty boring just sniffing. Hey, Nell. Good girl. Come here. Come here, Nell. Hey, Nell. 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 There she is. You say hello to your mom? Good toy, huh?